I want to inform the Kenyan government that Uganda is our biggest trading partner, our good neighbor. Somalia may not be that. Although, for those who don't know, once Somalia becomes a peaceful country, once they settle politically, it will take them less than 20 years to be an economic giant. So they will also become a big trading partner. They will be a big economic giant because the Somali diaspora will bring home skills, resources, and above all, love for their country. And it will take them less than 20 years for this country to be such a big economy that you will regret having messed your relationship. But more importantly, the significant presence of the Somali population in this country, the significant presence of Islam in this country means the Kenyan government has to be strategic in the way they deal with Somalia. Kenya ought to be strategic, extremely strategic. It is in the interest of this country to know how they deal with the government of Somalia. It is in the strategic and the future interest of this country to know how to relate with their neighbor. You need to be much more strategic in dealing with Somalia than dealing with Tanzania or Uganda.